Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use DeepSeek in Janitor AI Mobile with a step-by-step setup guide. First, open the Janitor AI app or go to janitorai.com in your mobile browser and log in to your account. Once logged in, tap on your profile icon or go to Settings. Scroll down and tap on API Settings or Model Settings. In the API section, select Custom API or OpenAI Compatible. Now go to DeepSeek official website, deepseek.com, and create a free account. Generate your DeepSeek API key and copy it. Go back to Janitor AI and paste the DeepSeek API key in the API key field. In the API base URL, type this https://api.deepseek.com. Set the model to DeepSeek v3 or DeepSeek R1 depending on your choice. Save the settings. Now create a new chat or open an existing character. Select DeepSeek from the model dropdown at the top. Start chatting. DeepSeek will now power your Janitor AI conversations. That's it. This is how you can easily use DeepSeek in Janitor AI Mobile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.